first time that we're gonna be cooking together. We're gonna be cooking something that was originally made in Italy. Pizza! Did you know a small pizza is called pizzietta? We will be needing 2 bowls for the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients. A spoon and a knife. Flour, cheese, baking powder or baking soda, they both work. And for toppings, mushroom. That's why we're gonna need a knife. Pizza sauce, we're using this one. Hot water, just any tap water. Measuring cup, 250 ml. Yeast, and pink salt and sugar. 2 cups of flour. We're gonna add some baking powder. Just a little bit. Okay, that's good. Now we're gonna do our wet ingredients, which will be our water. And some people put salt and sugar to dissolve in it, and also yeast. So that's what I'm gonna do. A spoonful of instant yeast, some salt, okay, that's right. And I'm gonna wait for the yeast, sugar, and salt to dissolve in the water, which will be around about 10. Okay, Google, set timer for 3 minutes.
Sure, 3 minutes, and that's starting now.
So Google just finished the timer. So now we're gonna flatten it out and so make a little hole for the yeast. Okay, so that looks fine. So now we're gonna add a little bit of yeast at a time. You're gonna add more of this if it's too dry, like this. So now for the fun part, the kneading. So you're first gonna want to knead inside the bowl, and then you'll take it out. If you have any extra flour and stuff, you can just add a little bit more water. So now we finish this piece, I'm gonna add a little bit of water for this piece. Because this doesn't have any salt or anything, I'm just gonna add pinches of salt and sugar. We're pretty much done with the dough. We just want it to set for 20 minutes. Hey Google, set an alarm for 20 minutes.
Done. Your alarm set for 3 p.m.
What now? Now we're gonna add any type of oil, but we're gonna be using sunflower, just because you don't want the top of the dough to dry when you set it. You don't want it to dry, you also have to add some plastic wrap on top. So while we are waiting for the 20 minutes to finish, we're gonna be cutting up our toppings. We're gonna be using mushrooms, and you can use any toppings you want. The last mushroom, and okay, we are finished completely, and we literally did the whole bowl and the whole little pack. After this and the alarm's done, get our dough, spray the bottom of the pan, put our dough on top of it, and spray it. We're gonna add stuff. Okay. As you can see, the dough got a little bit bigger. Yeah. So now we're gonna just take it out and knead it just for a bit. That perfect, but it's okay for now. So now we're gonna add the tomato sauce. I dug down in the fridge, and guess what I found? There's the cheese sticks. We're gonna be using him for the crusts, like the ones that you peel and then you eat them. It would be really nice if you did this same recipe and you would comment down below how you like the pizza. I would really like that. My mom and dad helped me cut these up because it would have taken like 5 hours if they didn't help me. So now we're just gonna place them around. It's so small now. It shrunk. Okay, now I'm gonna cover it up with mozzarella. I'm gonna add my mushrooms. So now we're gonna spray it just because we want the crust to be crispy and we want the cheese to be kind of crispy. So now we're gonna leave this in the oven for around about 20 to 15 minutes. So, oh, and for this you need supervision. Parents' supervision, so. Let's go cooking. We finished, and this is what it looks like. And if you're wondering how it can go, you get eggs, you mix them around. If you want, you can add a little bit of oil in the eggs, and then you add it on top of the crust, and then you put it in the oven, and then it turns golden. And now let's put it in the plate so we can cut it. We just took it out and put it on the plate. Now let's cut it. You can see the bread. It's good. If you like this video and you want to see more, please subscribe and turn on the notifications. And if you have any ideas what my next video should be about, leave it in the comments down below. Bye!